Hello everyone, this is English Way and kwiga icyongereza neza. Today we're going to learn simple present. You must tugiye kwiga simple present. You may think what is simple present. Ushobora kwibaza ngo simple present ni iki? We use simple present tense to talk about things we do every day. Ibintu dukora buri munsi, things that are always true, ibintu bihora ari ukuri, habits and fact, akamenyero cyangwa se ibintu bibaho. Iyo dukora interuro muri simple present dufata subject plus verb plus object. Urugero, I drink water. I ni subject, drink ni verb, water object. Okay? So noneho reka tumaze kwiga subject. Subject is who does action. Ibivuga ku muntu wakoze igikorwa. Okay? Subject ibivuga ku muntu wakoze igikorwa. Subject ni I, njyewe, you, wowe, she, wewe umukobwa, he, wewe umuhungu, it, ikintu runaka, we, twebwe, you, mwebwe, they, bo. That is subject. You have to know subject because you can't make sentences if you don't know subject. Ugomba kumenya subject kubera ko ntago wakora interuro utazi subject. Icyo ugomba kumenya nuko for he, she, it, kuri he na she na it kongeraho s or es kuri verb. Okay? Urugero nimba navuze ngo I drink water, kuri she ntago wavuga ngo she drink water, wavuga ngo she drinks water. Niyo mpamvu hano uba ugomba kubimenya ko kongeraho s cyangwa es kuri verb bitewe n'uburyo verb imeze. Ibyo ndagenda mbikwereka. Kuri I, you, we na they dukoresha verb uko imeze. Kuri I, you, we na they nta kintu duhindura kuri verb. Example, I walk, ndakora. You like tea, ukunda icyayi. We play football, dukina umupira. They study English, biga icyongereza. Urabona hano nta kintu twahinduraga kuri verb nka bimwe nakubwiraga ngo byo kongeraho s cyangwa es, dukoresha verb uko iri. Okay? Ariko kuri she, he na it twongeraho s cyangwa es nkuko nabikubwiye. He works, arakora. He works, es ije kuri he, ntabwo avuga ngo he work, ni he works. She likes a tea, akunda icyayi. She likes tea, akunda icyayi. Ubwo ukamenya ko kuri she, he na it twongeraho s kuri verb. Ubundi kuri I, you, we, they verb igakorwa nkuko imeze. Example, dufate nka verb ask, wavuga ngo we ask, turabaza. They ask, barabaza. Ariko kuri she, he na it wavuga ngo she asks, arabaza. She asks, arabaza. He asks, arabaza. Okay? Umuhungu cyangwa se umukobwa. Negative sentence, gukora interuro za kana dukoresha do not cyangwa se does not. Dufata subject tukongeraho do not cyangwa se does not, tukongeraho verb. Do not ikora kuri I, you, we na they cyangwa se ukavuga don't ikora kuri I, you, we na they, niho dukoresha do not. Noneho does not cyangwa se doesn't igakora kuri he, she na it. Okay? Utazafata do not ukayikoresha kuri she, he na it, it's a mistake. Dukoreshaho does not. Example, I don't eat meat, ntago ndya inyama. I don't eat meat. Ushaka na gukomeza uvugaho ibintu utarya. I don't eat rice, ntago ndya umuceri. I don't eat fruits, ntago ndya imbuto. Okay? Ibintu byose utarya ukagenda uzadingaho. You don't like milk, ntago ukunda amata. You don't like milk, ntago ukunda amata. Cyangwa se ngo you don't like him, ntago umukunda. You don't like me, ntago nkunda. Cyangwa se love. Like na love bijya kumera kimwe gusa ntago ubusobanuro buba ari bumwe. Okay? We don't go today, uyu munsi ntago tugenda. Cyangwa se ntago tujyayo. We don't go today, uyu munsi ntago tugenda. Ariko kuri he, she na it nkuko nabikubwiye ni does not. He doesn't eat meat, ntago arya inyama. Ntago avuga ngo he don't eat meat, no. Kubera ko nakubwiye ngo hari verb twongeraho es cyangwa s. Urabona hano twongeraho es kuri verb to do. Verb to do twongeraho es. Iyo verb isozwa na o wongeraho es. Wavuga ngo I mix, ndavanga. Ariko kuri she wavuga ngo she mixes, aravanga. Okay? He doesn't like milk, ntago akunda amata. He doesn't like milk. It doesn't work well, ntago gikora neza. It doesn't work well, ntago gikora neza. Noneho iyo turimo dukora interuro zibaza question sentence tubanza verb to do cyangwa se does plus subject plus verb. Ni verb to do cyangwa does tukongeraho subject plus verb. Example, do you like tea? Ukunda icyayi. Do you like tea? Ukunda icyayi. Do they work here? Do they work here? Ese bakora hano. Do they work here? Ese bakora hano. Does irakora kuri he, she na it nkuko nabikubwiye. Ni Does she like tea? Ese akunda icyayi? Ntabwo avuga ngo do she. No, it's a mistake. Do he? Urumva ko bitanavugitse neza, ni does he. Does he like tea? Does she live here? Ese atuye hano? Does she live here? Ariko does she ukamenya ko ari umukobwa, he ikaba ari umuhungu. Does it work? Does it work? Ese kirakora? Does it work? Wenda ni nk'imashini ushaka kubaza nimba ikora, wavuga ngo does it work? Cyangwa se ari nka telefone, umuntu agutije telefone ukabona ayikora neza, mubaza ngo does it work well? Ese ikora neza? Does it work well? Ikimara kumenya subject I, you, she, he, it, we, they, ubundi ikindi busigaje kumenya ni verb. Ni verb kuko dufata subject arizo zino, tukongeraho verb, tukongeraho object. Example, I like you. You ya kabiri itiza ari nka object, nako ibikiri subject kuko I yatangira subject plus verb to like plus you ubwo yasiba subject. Okay, hano nk'urugero verb zongerwaho es iyo dukonjega muri simple present ni urugero watch kureba ikintu runaka kuri phone cyangwa se kuri televiziyo, iyo tukita watch. I watch TV, ndeba televiziyo, but kuri she na he uravuga ngo he watches TV. Verb to go, kugenda, to go. I go there sometime, rimwe na rimwe njyayo. I go there sometime. Ariko kuri she, he na it uravuga ngo he goes there. And to mix kuvanga, I mix ndavanga but she mix aravanga. To teach kwigisha, you teach but she teaches arigisha. To brush kuborosa, to brush kuborosa. We brush turaborosha but he brushes araborosha. So ubundi verb zongerwa es ni verb zisozwa na cha na ha na sa na ha na x cyangwa se sa cyangwa se za zisozwa na o. Izo nizo verb kongeraho es yo turimo dukonjiga. Verb isozwa na cha na ha, sa na ha na sa, x, za na o. Izo verb twongeraho es. So hakaba hari amwe mu magambo rero uzasanga muri simple present akunda gukoreshwamo cyane nka always, igihe cyose, sometime, rimwe na rimwe, often nayo ni rimwe na rimwe gusa ibiri munsi ya sometime, and never, ibintu bitigeze bibaho. Example, I sometime go there, rimwe na rimwe njyayo. I sometime go there. I always wake up early, buri gihe cyose mbyuka kare. Okay, she never goes there, ntago ajyayo. She never goes there, ntago ajyayo. So I drink water, minywa amazi. She goes to school, ajya ku ishuri. She goes to school. I learn English every day, niga icyongereza buri munsi. I like music, nkunda umuziki. I like music. He wakes up early, abyuka kare. He wakes up early. He drinks water, anywa amazi. He drinks water. We go to visit her on weekend, tujya kumusura muri weekend. We go to visit her on weekend, tujya kumusura muri weekend. So this is the end of this video, and if you like, share and subscribe. Niba ikunze kura share na subscribe. If you like to learn more, tell me in the comment section. Niba ushaka kwiga ibirenzeho mbwira muri comment. So kina kwibutsa cyo no kubwama kumenya the subject ukamenya na verb, then niba wabimenye subject na verb nkeya runaka ubashobora gukora interuro zawe. Ukibuka ko kuri she, he na it kongeraho s cyangwa se es bitewe na verb iyo ariyo. Verb isozwa na sa na o na x, cha na ha, sa na ha, ukamenya ko kongeraho es. And may God bless you. See you next time.